Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve a question on quadratic equations. Now the question is, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees will uh, in rupees was 3 more than the twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production of on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So in this case, in this question we have to find out the two things, that is the number of articles produced in a day and the cost of each article. So to solve this, इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हम लिखेंगे गिवन, हमको क्या क्या दिया गया है, जो दिया गया है उसको लिखेंगे, मतलब वी विल राइट द गिवन थिंग्स, दैट इज लेट द कास्ट ऑफ let the number of articles made by industry in industry in each day be equals to x. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स पहले हम ले लेंगे मेड बाय इंडस्ट्री इन ईच डे इज x. द कास्ट ऑफ article produced by industry equals to 2x plus 3. इसका 2 times है, but we have to pay 3 rupees more. Now the total cost of the article for one day, or in bracket you can write each day equals to 90 rupees. This is 90 rupees. Now according to given condition, according to given condition, according to given condition, that is number of articles x has to be multiplied by the number of cost, means price. Price is 2x plus 3 equals to 90. Now इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2x मतलब 2x square plus 3x equals to 90, or 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0. अब इसको मैं इसका मिडिल टर्म जो है 3x उसको सॉल्व करूंगा, तो उसके लिए हमको क्या करना चाहिए, a एंड c means a into c. We know that splitting the middle term means a into c means 2 into 90, that will give us 180. फिर 180 का हम क्या करेंगे, फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे, that will be 180 means 12 into 15. So we will write plus 15 into minus 12. So this will be the factor for this quadratic equation, in which 15 minus 12 is 3x. So by splitting the middle terms, we will solve it like this: 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equals to 0. Now I will take, sorry, this should be written like this, that is 2x square minus 12x plus 15x minus 19 equals to 0. So we will take 2x as a common. So we will, यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा हमको, x minus 6 plus 15 as a common, x minus 6 equals to 0. So 2x plus 15 and x minus 6 equals to 0. Now we have got the two linear factors. After solving the quadratic equation 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0, the factors are 2x plus 15 and x minus 6 equals to 0. Either 2x plus 15 equals to 0 or 2x equals to minus 15, therefore x equals to minus 15 by 2, or x minus 6 equals to 0 or x equals to 6. Now this will be rejected. So our answer will be 6. So number of articles made, I will write here, number of articles made in one day equals to 6. Number of articles made in one day equals to 6. तो हमारा पहला आंसर हो गया, नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स कितना प्रोड्यूस करेंगे एक दिन में, that will be 6. Now cost of each article, cost of each article in one day, that is 6 into 2x plus 3, that is 2 into 6 plus 3 are 15 rupees. So the answer is, we will write answer like this: cost of number of articles made in one day, number of articles made in one day equals to 6, and cost of production, cost of production in one day equals to 15 rupees. 15 rupees. So this will be our answer, that is 6. Number of articles will be 6, and cost of production in one day for producing 6 articles is, means one article is 15 rupees. So number of articles there are 6. So total 6 and 15. So in this way this question is solved. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.